If you are new to Excel, you've probably tried to do something like this. You type 10 plus 5 into a box, hit enter, and absolutely nothing happens. Excel just stares back at you like a dumb text editor. But watch what happens when we add just one single character to the front. The second you type an equals sign at the beginning of the string, Excel wakes up and you can see that it worked. Today, we're covering the absolute first formula you need to know to unlock the real power of spreadsheets. Let's get into it. But before diving into the details, if you like such contents, to see similar contents, you can follow and subscribe to our channel. Here is the golden rule of Excel that you must burn into your brain. Every single calculation starts with an equals sign. Without it, Excel thinks you're just typing a regular word or label. The equals sign is the universal wake-up call that tells Excel, hey, stop reading, start doing math. Now let's write our very first formula to add up some basic expenses. Most beginners will click a blank cell, type equals sign, and then manually type the numbers like 1,200 plus 300 plus 50 and hit enter. Okay, of course it worked. It gave you the answer, but doing it this way completely misses the entire point of using Excel. Because what happens next month when your groceries go up? See, the total didn't change. You have to go back in and manually rewrite your formula and change, for example, 300 to 400 and hit enter again. But this is a massive waste of time. Instead of typing the numbers, we're gonna type the cells where those numbers live. This is called a cell reference. So first write the numbers in different cells, for example, 1,200, 300, and 50. Now I want to sum up all the numbers. Instead of writing the numbers again, I use equals sign and then click our first number in cell K16, then plus sign, and then next cell L16, again plus sign, and click on M16. You can see here that instead of numbers, the addresses are written, the address of each cell that those numbers are there. You can see K16 plus L16 plus M16. And your formula will look like a colorful map. You can find them easily by colors. Now hit enter. The result was the same, but look at that. The moment we change our grocery bill, for example, to 400, the result is automatically changed. You just built a dynamic calculator. You will never have to manually calculate this data ever again. Now adding cells together with a plus sign is perfect for 3 or 4 items. But what if you have 100 rows of data? Typing 100 plus signs would drive you crazy. This is where Excel's built-in word called functions come into play, like the sum function. Look at the column A. There are too many numbers here. If you go to the end, you can see that 75 different numbers are written here. If you want to sum them up, you need to write 74 different plus signs. And it's a massive job and very exhausting. So it's better to write a formula, a function, that one of them is sum, that can be used here. If you write sum and click the area using Control Shift and up, and then close the parentheses, you can see the summation of all the numbers. Instead of writing a long formula, you use the function that is one of the built-in functions in Excel. There are some other ways to write and use sum. If you want to see exactly how to use the sum function to instantly add thousands of rows in less than 2 seconds, click on the next video right here. See you there.